Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing this super fun manicure for the summer with neon colors. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So I'm gonna do this manicure over a structured gel manicure that I did on myself. I'm taking a course on gel manicure, so I'm learning a lot about this product. So I'm buffing up the surface of the gel to remove all the shine, and I will wipe them off with some alcohol. Then I'm gonna apply base coat. This is not required in this case, but I'm just gonna follow all the steps so you can follow on your natural nails. Then I'm gonna apply the base color. This is Electric Daisy. This is part of the Vice collection by Colors. This is a highlighter yellow, very bright. I'm just gonna apply one coat, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna cover it up with a gradient. So I'm using WhatsApp Nails makeup sponges, and I'm just gonna clean it with a lint roller just to make sure that it doesn't have any lints on it or any debris. And then I'm gonna apply liquid latex because you know gradients are messy. Then I'm gonna add the second color for these gradients. It will be Pyro. This is really pretty red orangey color. They both glow under black light, and they're super bright. So I thought that they will be a great combination together. So I'm gonna put both colors side to side horizontally on the sponge, and then I'm just gonna dab it on my nails. In this case, I used the same sponge for 5 nails in the first coat. So as you see, there's enough polish there to just get you through the first coat. You don't need to press onto the nail too hard. I'm just dabbing onto the nail very gently, and it was enough for me to cover the 5 fingers. So here's after one coat. You have to let it dry completely before you go with the second coat. And I'm just gonna get rid of this piece so I have a fresh sponge to do the second coat. Sometimes if you use the same one, the polish can get very dry and very rigid, so it's very hard to dab it onto the nail after. Here I'm applying the second coat just to reach full opacity. You are welcome to use only one coat if you like more subtle effect, or you can add a third coat if you think you're not getting enough coverage. It's up to you honestly, and it depends on how much polish you put on the sponge on the first place. So I really like the look of 2 coats. So as you see here, the orangey red color is getting like more vibrant in the second coat, and I really like how they mix together and how they combine. It reminds me to a mango. So I think these colors are perfect for the summer, for all the fruity nail art. They're really pretty together. So you can check out the website. They're releasing the 2023 Vice collection on May 10th. So for the stamping, I'll be using Tropical Collection 04 by Moyo London with these 2 designs here, and this plate is absolutely gorgeous for the summer, very tropical. I'll be using also the Clear Jelly Stamper, both stampers, the large size and the little one. And for stamping, I'll be using Electrostatic. This is a black holographic polish by Holotaco. This is a regular polish. It's not intended to be a stamping polish, but I really like to use it for this because it has the holographic effect that really helps when you have a plain background. So in the other 2 nails, I'm gonna do a full nail design with the same polish. And I'm choosing these flowers that are absolutely beautiful. Look at that, I really love that design. I recommend when you use a regular nail polish to stamp that you cover the whole image just to get full opacity and to avoid any blank spots. Then I'm gonna remove the liquid latex and get rid of any other excess with Scotch tape, and I'll also be using this Twinkle Tin number 2 cleanup brush. After I finish my cleanup, I'm gonna apply the smudge-free top coat. Even though this is not a stamping polish, it's a black polish, so it can still smear your design. So be careful with that. Then I will apply 1 coat of the gel setter, and this is the final result. Here you can see all the holographic sparkles. Super beautiful. I really love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!